Hey everyone, Jason here. Today we're going to tie a Zipper Sinnet Paracord Bracelet. You can do this with a single piece of paracord, but for the demonstration I'll use two colors. If using two colors of paracord, you'll need two lengths of 5 to 6 feet each for a total length of 10 to 12 feet. With your lighter, carefully melt the two ends of your paracord. The ends will be hot and can easily burn your fingers, so take care. With the ends still hot, press the two ends together for a bond. Pass both ends through the bottom of one side of your buckle and pull the length of paracord through until you have a couple inches remaining. Take care not to twist your two cords and untwist any that may already exist. Then pass your working ends of paracord through the loop and draw the paracord tight to the buckle. When you do this, cinch up your cow hitch so that the melted joint in your paracord is on the back side of the buckle and to one side. Now pass both working ends through the other side of your buckle, again from the bottom through the top. With both ends through the buckle, pass your hand through the loop to size up the bracelet. When you have a comfortable fit, unclasp the buckle and then double check your length by lining up the buckle ends. Hold the paracord firmly in place so you don't lose your fit. I'll be using a paracord jig, but it's not necessary. The jig will help me hold the bracelet as I weave and also help me keep my fingers out of the way so you can see better. Starting with the left cord, pass the left strand over the two center core strands, then under the right strand. The left strand then passes back over the right strand and the right center strand, and then down through the middle of the center core strands. Pull all of the left strand through and then cinch up the weave. Now's a good time to pause the video if you want to see how it looks. Let's duplicate the weave on the other side. Pass the right strand over the two center core strands and then under the left strand. The right strand then passes back over the left strand and the left center strand and then down through the middle of the center core strands. Pull all of the right strand through and then cinch up the weave. Repeat the weaving pattern. Pass the left strand over the two center core strands and then under the right strand. Like before, the left strand passes back over the right strand and the right center strand, and then down through the middle of the center core strands. Pull all of the left strand through and then cinch up the weave. Slide your weaves toward the buckle to create a tidy weave. Continue to repeat the weaving pattern all the way down to the opposite buckle. I have a special way to finish the bracelet to give it a nice tidy look. But first, we need to finish the Zipper Sinnet weave. By the way, I'm editing this video in a new format. If you like it, please let me know in the comments. It takes a lot more time to do the edit, so I'd love to know if viewers like it or not. You can compare it to one of my other paracord bracelet videos. I'll provide a link to another one in the description and the end of this video. There's at least one big difference in this video, and I wonder if anyone will notice. When you reach the end, push the weaves up, away from the buckle to create some space. Now for the special way to finish. We want to create a nice tidy looking bracelet and hide the ends. So from here, pass the end of the paracord down through the center core strands. Now adjust the weave by pulling it back down towards the buckle again. From here, you can remove the bracelet from the jig if you're using one. Using your scissors, cut the paracord near the back of the bracelet, but leave enough to easily melt the ends without burning the back of the bracelet. Carefully melt the ends of your paracord using your lighter. While the ends are still hot, squish them flat and together with the side of your scissors. And there you have it, a Zipper Sinnet Paracord Bracelet. And as promised, here's a link to another older paracord bracelet video. Please let me know which format you prefer. Thanks for watching.